Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to teach you the structure of a tooth. So you all know that we have teeth. Now what is tooth? Tooth is the singular form of the teeth. Okay. So we have many teeth inside our mouth. There are total 32 teeth in our mouth. So now I will teach you that the parts of a tooth. Tooths, inside parts, outside parts, both. So let's start. Now you can see that I have drawn here the parts of a tooth. Everything you can see over here. Now first I will explain the names and then I will tell you the functions. Functions means the work what they do. What is their duty to do the help of this tooth. So I will just tell the functions. Okay. Now first thing you have to know that there are two major parts of a tooth. First part is that you can see from your eyes, that this part you can see, this teeth part and these gums. Okay, I think you all know that, to know what is the gums. So there are these two soft parts, they are very soft. Gums, you can see the gums and the teeth. So these parts which you can see from your eyes, these parts are called as the crown. Okay, I have written here crown. These parts are called as the crown. Now I will tell you that what is under this part. This part from here, this part is called as the root. Okay, this upper part is called as the crown and the lower part is called as the root. And I have also done here the lines. Okay, this from here to here is called as the crown and from here to here is called as the root. Means this part. Okay, now I will tell you the parts. So if you look goodly over here, this part is called as the enamel. What is it called? It is called as the enamel. So I will write here that it is called as the enamel. Okay, ENAMEL, enamel. Now next part is, you can see a soft layer under the enamel, right? You can see a soft layer under the enamel. This small soft layer is called as a dentine. Okay, so what is it called as? It is called as a dentine. DENTINE, dentine. Now dentine, under dentine there is one more part. That part is called as the pulp. So pulp has the blood vessels, our blood vessels, from which our blood vessels travel around whole body. So this pulp have the blood vessels and the nerves. Okay, we have nerves in our full body. So there are nerves in our teeth also. So they are present inside the pulp. Okay. Now next is, this is the pulp. And one thing, that the root fixes the teeth to the gums, and gums are the place where the teeth are fixed. Okay, to the gums surface. Now, so this part is called as the gum. Gums also help the root to hold the teeth. Okay. Next is this. So if you look closely to this picture, you can see two lines, means two big thick lines, right? These thick lines are called as the jaw bone. So what is they are called? They are called as a jaw bones. Okay, so they are called as the jaw bones. These are the lower part of the teeth. Okay, they live underneath this teeth, dentine pulp underneath. Okay, Now next part is, you can see two lines over here, and two lines over here, and underneath there are two lines, right? The first line is called as the blood vessels. This line is called as the blood vessels, okay? And next line is called as the nerve. Now you have you understood that what is enamel, dentine, gum, pulp, jawbone, blood vessels and nerve? Okay, the cap fold. Sorry. Now I will tell you the functions of the parts of a tooth. Functions. So you have understood the full part of this full teeth. Now I will tell you the functions. Okay. So functions. What is the meaning of functions? So function is a thing that they work do. Okay. Now I will tell you the functions. Enamel. Enamel's function is, it is the outer hard part of the substance. It is just out, means which part you can see or touch with the brush. And one thing, that it is very hard. It is very hard part of our full body. That is only a part that is hard, harder substance. Next is dentine. So dentine is a thing. Dentine is underneath the teeth or tooth. Okay, so dentine is very soft. Enamel is very hardest part, and dentine is soft, just little soft than it. Next is the pulp. Pulp is again inside the tooth's enamel is inside enamel is a dentine. Dentine inside dentine is a pulp. Now pulp is very soft than the dentine. Pulp is very soft than the dentine. Okay, so as you think that this is soft, dentine is soft, and pulp is softer than it, means soft and softer. Okay, and pulp has the whole blood vessels and nerves. Next is these two. Pulp, and it is called as the jawbones. Pulp and it is jawbones. Now jawbones have no particular functions. It don't have any particular functions. Actually jawbone is like a teeth. So have our teeth any function? Do the teeth do any work? No. But dentine do work. Dentine just fix, dentine, pulp and all these fix the tooth, means the teeth, the gum. And jawbones are not any part of a teeth. It is a teeth. It is the under portion of a teeth. Under portion. Okay. So it is the under portion of a teeth. So but this is the teeth, and this is the under portion, means the teeth's under portion. What is the upper portion of the teeth? The under portion of the teeth. Okay, the jawbone is the under portion of a teeth. It has no particular functions. Next is the blood vessels. I think you all know what is the work of a blood vessels. Blood vessels helps our body to float the blood around the body. Okay. And what is nerve? One thing that nerve has a thing that nerve help our body to understand what is the body doing. Okay, so nerve, when you eat ice cream, okay, when you eat ice cream, sometimes you thought that when you are biting ice cream, you thought that your teeth are shrinking, means they are shaking or something. So nerves, that time nerves feel cold. Okay, as we feel cold in the winter. So that time when we eat ice cream, our nerves feel cold and they became to shake, and we started shrinking, and that's why we feel that they are why this type of feeling, shrinking. So that the nerve helps to understand, nerve helps to just regulate the messages from brains to our body. Okay, that time they do, and not more things. So this is the full functions and the parts of a tooth. Okay. So our class class gets over here. And if you like the channel, subscribe it, like, share, and also comment something inside the comment box. And now, bye bye for today. Bye.